I hope you guys all had a good day. Easy Autofix here, and today we're gonna learn symptoms of a bad steering rack. The purpose of the steering rack is to convert rotational movement from the steering wheel into side-to-side movement to pivot your wheels left and right. Today we'll be focusing on a hydraulic power steering system. If you have a new car, you might have electric power steering. The location will be in the middle, between the two front tires. The first symptom is a power steering fluid leak. Maybe you notice a fluid leak on the driveway when you back out, or maybe you're always having to add fluid to your reservoir. The leak could be coming from worn out seals. Here's some spots where it could be coming from. The second symptom is a tight steering wheel. You might notice you're needing to apply more force than usual. The reason for this could be due to the power steering leak. This reduces the fluid pressure, preventing the right amount of hydraulic force to move the rack side to side. The third symptom is a grinding noise. Since the power steering fluid is responsible for not only hydraulic purposes but also lubrication of moving parts, if the steering rack starts to leak, there will be more metal on metal contact between the rack and the pinion, increasing friction and eventually leading to a grinding noise. The fourth symptom is a loose steering wheel. Maybe there's a dead spot where you're turning the steering wheel, but the tires aren't actually turning. This could be due to excessive wear between the pinion gear and the rack. Some systems actually have an adjustment screw that can help solve the problem. This leads me to the fifth symptom, steering wander. You might notice you're driving straight on the highway and all of a sudden your car starts to turn one direction without your control. This can be due to excessive wear between the rack and the pinion. Awesome! We just learned symptoms of a bad power steering rack. Make sure to like and hit that subscribe button so I can see your beautiful souls in the next one.